Hi, I'm Anita, an EMEA Talent Acquisition Sourcing Lead here at Smith+Nephew. This video is going to walk through some of the tips of writing a CV and helping it stand out to a recruiter. Firstly, your CV should ideally be no longer than 1 or 2 pages. Be sure to use a simple font and keep font size to 11 or 12. The structure organization of your CV can really help it stand out. Subheadings are a good way to separate your CV into sections. Here's an example. The first section should include your full name, address, phone number, and email address. A personal profile is your opportunity to give a short summary of yourself, your skills, interests, and what makes you, you. 2 or 3 sentences that align your interests and experience with the job role. Recruiters will be seeing lots of CV, so keep it short and to the point. Using bullet points is a great way to do so. Be sure to use terminology from the job description. This will help match up your CV and fit the role we're applying for. Experience. This is where you can show the recruiter the work experience you have under your belt. Start with your current employer, but go back no further than 7 to 10 years, choosing the most relevant experience. If you are a recent graduate and have little to no experience, then list internships, voluntary or freelance work that aligns with the job role. Education. Here you can let the recruiter know about your qualification by listing the names of your educational institution with the highest level of education first. An additional information section is your chance to mention any other qualification or information you want the recruiter to know. This could include online courses or information about references.